Buenos dias, welcome to a new video. I'm here in Palawan. Today, Spanish breakfast.
So my gameplay at the moment, I am definitely trying to feel people out and see who I can work with. And
Good morning. Like, share, subscribe. Welcome to a new video. Oh, look at this beautiful place. Waking up like this. Like a king, man. Flower, pool, the view here, the sea, and the place to be. What up? Good morning, Philippines. Life is good, blessed, no stress. He's gonna chill, eat some food, and then enjoy the day. Go to the beach, check it out. Yeah, what up? A whole new video. Maganda umaga bini. Salama. Coffee. Oh shit, here we have the Spanish breakfast. Looks good, fresh. Nice view. Yo, I'm out now. I'm going to the beach. I need to fix a motorbike so I can drive around. This is my first day on the island. And I'm gonna find some place and then see what I'm gonna do today. Just go around. Enjoy this day. Hey! Sir! Need to stop someone. Hello! Stop! I need to go to the beach. Get a motorbike. We need stop. It's empty. Beach. Nobody wanna stop now. When you need them, they don't stop. Stop. I have 50 pesos. Who will stop? The white one. Nobody stop. They always stop. But now when you need them, they don't stop. City, bike, I need a bike. You go city. Huh?
Where are you going?
Beach, motorbike. I need motorbike.
Rental motorbike?
Yeah, they have there.
Yeah, they have.
Straight.
Here in the back.
Where is the city?
Here.
It's the central there.
Yeah.
The beach.
Yeah, going here.
Everybody go there.
Yeah, the central is here. Downtown.
They have a motorbike there.
Yeah, they have.
Woo! What's up, bro?
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm fine. How about
Yeah,
you?
vlog.
Oh,
YouTube.
vlogger. Where are you from?
Sweden. Sweden. happy. You say I'm the happiest person you ever meet. Need to be happy, positive.
Some
Today,
tourists is quiet only.
yeah, today happy, today feel good. Spread positive energy.
Yeah.
Be happy.
A lot
Don't
of
worry,
things
be
is there,
happy.
you see? Because campaign for
The president,
yeah.
all the faces there. Or a senator.
Yeah, Senator.
I want Mano Pachao to be a senator. He's the best.
Yes.
Mano Pachao, the new senator.
Pacquiao.
Yeah, Pacquiao, boxer.
The boxer.
I saw his face in Mactan. I saw him, senator.
You've been in Cebu.
Yeah, Cebu before. Cebu, Manila, Cebu, Mactan, Bohol.
Oh, nicer.
Now here is
You will go to El Nido
yeah, El Nido.
with bike.
Is it far away?
Yeah, you can 5 hours travel for motorbike.
5 hours.
Yeah.
I can go there
It's good experience if you ride a bike.
all the way there. Good experience.
Just wear helmet on.
Yeah. Then go all the way on the road. You see many things.
A lot of things.
Yeah.
And a lot of beautiful view.
Ooh. I will go. Five hours.
5 hours.
How many kilometers?
400.
400. Woo!
Oh, and 5 hours maybe. But if you're slow driving only, it takes 6.
Oh,
You can or that cannot.
smart.
For I think 450 kilometers
Yeah.
from here.
Or take, you take boat there. Boat.
Yes. But if you don't want to ride a bike, you can get a van.
Van, yeah.
Yeah. There's a van traveling here. I think 700 fare.
700.
Yeah, per person.
Yeah.
Or 600.
From here.
Yeah. Later I will show you the van that have traveled to El Nido.
Okay, good. I take
Inside of
later.
the bike also.
Yeah. I stay here a couple of days, 3 days, and then El Nido, and after El Nido, Palawan,
So you have the
or Boracay. You can take
Oh,
boat
bro.
from El Nido, Boracay.
No, sir.
No,
Boracay is from here. You need to read the airplane.
airplane.
Yeah, airplane.
Here, the motorbike. Still one. 400, 500. Enough.
That's what I click.
Kings.
There's no damage.
No damage.
Okay.
So-
This one, sir.
And helmet, and one extra helmet for lady. One for lady.
One for lady. If you want, you gotta press, hold tight when it's standing.
And okay.
If you go with the stop,
Let's go.
full tank.
get beat.
Continuing on your street.
Sabalota! Sabalota! Salama! Sabalota! 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 Ikbo! Ikbo! Let's go to the beach! Jesus beach. Hello.
Hello.
How are you? Good. It's red light. Soon green light. Oh, bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Woo! What an amazing view. Going towards the water. Got 12 kilometers left. Beautiful. We have shares on the bike. Shares on the back. Only need data. We are getting close to the sea, in the place to be. Yes, you know me. 1, 2, 3. Hey, hello. Hey. Yo, bro.
Make a U-turn.
Pa 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 beep 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 beep. How are you? Hello.
Semua tayo sa dagat. Wow, mali.
Opa. Oh, shit. Oh, thank you. Looking, beach. You show me beach. What's your name?
Aisha Bilis.
Aisha Bilis. Oh, one more time. Ah, fuck it. I take later. Sean, you sisters. Ah, you old sister. Small sister, young. You know skateboard? Oh! Ooh! Look at these cool trees. Oh, beautiful! Look how cute they are, sisters. Take picture? Look how cute they are. They're like angels. Filipino children. Cute. Hello, sir. And here are the brothers. Hello. What's up? How are you? What are you doing? Hello. How are you? Oh. Here the boat. Fisher boat. Fisherman here. Local boats. Hello. She cried. She's not happy. Amazing view. They fight. No fight. They beat each other. Oh, it's not good. Her mother beat her. She cries. They beat her. Maybe with stick. Not good. So this is not a beach, this is like a fishing village. You want money, money, money for candy. It's Saturday. Yeah. Say thank you.
Thank you.
What you gonna buy? Okay, goodbye. Bye bye. Give them some money, 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 money. Only for you. Only for the brothers. Don't give mama and papa. Only you.
Yes.
Oh, this nice. Look at the trees. Oh, nice. Good, hello. Hello. How are you? Your brother, your sister. Sister. Your sister. They're shy. Hello. Look, she's so cute. This girl. Hey. How are you? Hey. Hey, how are you? Hello. Hello, hello. Hello. Hey, family. Hello, sir. Your daughter.
Yeah, I'm slow.
Ah. Hello, family. How are you?
I'm fine.
Watch TV. Ah.
Tulpo. Tulpo.
Yeah. Have beach. Tanglaw.
Ay, no, nubot.
Ah. Nagataban. Fishing village. Awesome village. Going to the next destination. Cheeseburger on the way. Oh yeah. Salad. Cucumber. Yeah, cucumber. Food. Burger good. Hamburger nice. Oh, I'm gonna eat. King's Burger. Big burger.
Yes.
Real burger. Better than McDonald's, Burger King. Come here, she picks good burger. 35 peso. Good price. Burger. The Filipino burger, very good. And it's tiny, small, I like that. Not too big, not too fat. Good. Real cheeseburger. Oh, they have some fight club. Go train later, fight after the beach. Hey, hello, fish. Good. They are so cute, the kids here, and everybody's so kind, and sir, and Philippine people are very friendly and happy and good people. They enjoy life, you know. They have heart. They are funny. They are happy. They are nice people, you know. If you are nice, everyone is nice. They're enjoying their life and working and trying to survive just like everybody else. Philippines is good, it's safe. This cross. It's amazing. I don't know where I am. Going towards the beach. New bike. The Philippines is very nice. It's not so much touristy. The food is better in Thailand, but they have good food here as well. I need to eat some real Filipino food tonight. Today, I'll eat something nice later. Now I really need to go to the beach. It's hot. And everyone, the kids run after me, they talk to me like I'm a celebrity. Everybody want to subscribe, everybody's happy. How you doing, dog? Where you from? And they can talk good English as well. Even the kids, everybody can speak English. And Philippines is nice. It's different vibe than all the other Asian countries. Philippines is good. It's nice. You live like a king here. Riding down the hill. Now I finally found the beach. It's down here. Down one. Yo, yo, bro, what's up?
Hey.
How are you? Woohoo! My bro on the other bike. How are you, bro? Okay, okay. Here we are, we going down. Yes, 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 yeah. Here we are on the beach.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh, they got the speaker.
Let's go.
Party, party. You gonna dance?
Yeah.
And he, Mr. Guitar. Bow, wow, 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 wow. Hey. Bow, wow, wow, wow. Here's the beach. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Yes, here is the beach.
Hi.
Hello, hello. Food. Peace, peace out. Here's a nice beach. Yeah. Nice beach. Hello, hello. Hello, sir.
What company?
From Jesus.
Jesus. What's your name?
From God. Sean.
Sean, I have souvenir.
Oh, it's okay. I have, bro.
Huh?
Thank you.
Shark teeth. Shark. Short teeth.
Yeah, shark teeth.
Tiger.
Ah, it's okay, thank you. I have.
Wood?
Yeah, cross wood.
Oh.
From
Christian?
Manila, Christian,
Christian? Oh.
yeah. You, Christian, Muslim?
No, yeah, Muslim.
Ah, Muslim.
Yeah.
Salam alaikum.
Alaikum assalam.
Alhamdulillah.
Yeah. After you relax, brother, I have souvenir from Nagtabon Beach.
Okay, thank you.
After you relax.
Yeah, thank you
Okay.
very much. Yes.
I have tiger
Thank
eye.
you, thank you.
Yeah, that's better.
I have souvenir. I have.
Okay.
Thank you. Here's the beach. I try. Almost. It's hard, you need to go down low. Party on the beach. Bam, bam. Ah, she wants to come. Woo! Drinking, San Miguel. Hey! Come on. Hey! Shy. San Miguel. Woohoo!
Nice camera.
It's a nice view. You can see the beach. I was down there's the beach. It's a droner. I'm gonna take a cup of coffee and then go back to the hostel. Grind, edit some video, make some rap, read, sleep. Actually have a studio with me, microphone. Gonna rock some rhymes. It was a long time I did. Need to get in the grind and chill there, shower, swim in the pool, take it cool, and then it's Saturday, go out, see what's going on in town. Yeah. Hello.
Hi, good afternoon.
Coffee.
Yes, sir.
You have with caramel macchiato. It's with macchiato with caramel.
Yes, sir.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I can take that one.
What do you want? Ice Americano? Or
Americano, hot.
Hot Americano?
Yes. Oh. Here we have the coffee, nice. Cappuccino with cinnamon. Cold. Buffalo soja, red butter. Yo, I'm back. Standing here and shaving myself. So much hair. Got to clean myself. Then I gotta go out in the shower. Shower, clean. Clean. Hey, it's nice music here in the background. Jazzy vibes, chill vibes. While you shower. Like yo, what's up? I was in the gym training. I forget my GoPro. Oof. I drive away, took a protein shake. Then, wow, I need to drive back. I scream on the guys, you work here. And the boss came and opened. Lucky, now I got my GoPro. Didn't need to wait till tomorrow. So now I have it. Now I'm gonna go to town and see what's going on, go eat something and drive, take a ride, listening to house, techno, then some punching bag, sit-ups, bum, bum, bum. This is the road, routine, feel good, more energy, less blood, sweat and tears. Feeling good, sweating it out, training hard. Woo! Today was a good day, a wonderful day. Try the chicken silog here. It's still frying. It's an egg on the chicken. Ooh, that's good. Ooh, the silog was really good. Spicy, small chicken. It's still hot, the plate. First real Filipino food. Really good, crispy chicken, egg, mayonnaise. I saw this rice stuff on the road. It's really good. Oof, it was so good, man. Amazing. The sizzling. Top. I like it.
Woof.
It was really good. Some girl look at me, I look at her. Woohoo! Then I smile to her. You know when you catch the ice, the best. Hey, the chicken sizzling was amazing. I swear, man. Wow. Fuck, it's the best Filipino food I eat. I'm gonna go there tomorrow again and eat again and again and again. I'm so hungry now, I wanna eat. It's 9:30. Gonna go to the city, check it out, try something new, try something nice. You know how it is. You know how it is. You know how it goes. Yes, yes, yo. In the gym and smack the fucking punching bag and did a motivational video and start to scream, oh, here's Jollibee. Woo. God bless, no stress. It's amazing, man, and it's so cheap in the Philippines. Really cheap everything. Thailand can be cheap too, some places. Less of glory, but Philippines is really cheap, man. So cheap with food and everything. It's really good, man. And it's not so much tourists everywhere. It's more untouched, nice, special. Philippines is good and the people are good. And yeah, man, it's nice. I got to eat more Filipino food. I didn't eat so much. It was a lot of fried stuff, chicken, not much salad and stuff. They don't have salad anywhere. But maybe I find they had it on the bowl. They only had vegetarian. And a lot of veggies there. Now we're gonna see if we can find something like on grill. Yeah, you see this chicken. Need to try a chicken like that, man. A lot of chicken. Gonna go check it out. Gonna walk by the pier or by the sea walk down there. Gonna check it out. Or maybe go to some bar, I don't know. Oh yeah, man, it's Saturday actually. Saturday, what's going on today, man? Massage 300. Woof. Take a massage later on. Take a good, nice massage. Maybe. Should I do that? Yeah, man. Relax the body. Oh, really cheap massage. Oh, yeah. I have an avocado in the bike. I forget. What is this? Let's check it out. What they have here. I saw this from the road. Chicken imperial bangus. Maybe try a bangus. Fish. We have here. silog. Check it out later on. Go here. They have beef. They have chicken. They have bangus. The fish. You gotta try it out. Try it out later. See if it's good. Try different things, you know. It's the ambulance. Wee, 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 wee. Oh shit, I almost fell. Go back to the bike. Oh, I leave it on. Here's the bay walk park. You can walk by the bay. Let's check it out. What's going on down here? Circle.
In 100 meters, turn left. Take the next left.
Panglipay 2025. April. Baywalk Park. Now video here. Now the video here. Baywalking by the street. The guys they saw me. They see me do video before. Here.
Take the next left.
They have some food and stuff.
Be on the left.
Here they're playing music. Chilling by the bay. They have good food. Oh, beef burger. Take a burger. Eat something nice. The burgers here are good, man. I swear, burger, fries. Burger. Burger. Scummy Jummy. Here they have food, shake, avocado. I'll take a shake. Hello. You have shake?
Yes, sir. We have strawberry, mango, melon, avocado, coconut, and chocolate, sir.
Oh, nice. I can take which one is the best?
Avocado.
Oh, avocado I can try, yeah.
How much?
I was gonna eat avocado today. Now they have avocado here.
20, 20, 20. Which one, sir?
Oh, 20, this one.
With milk, sir?
Huh?
With milk?
Yeah. Thank you very much. I was thinking about avocado and they have avocado. Oh, it's like slush with milk. Sweet. Sweet avocado. Here.
20 avocados, sir, then strawberries.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Oof. It's like avocado slash. Really good. Oof. Oof, this was really good. Fresh, I swear. They have chicken and stuff. Gonna go by the bay. People chilling there, kids, man, woman. The avocado was really good, sweet, nice. Avocado smoothie. This small for 20. Sweet avocado with ice. Really fresh, really good. So here's the bay walk by the beach. Oh, it's really nice, this one. And it's not so expensive. They don't take overprice on tourists there. That's good. Same price. Here's the bay. Saturday in oof, the moon, full moon. Full moon. Oh shit. Big bike. Oof, this was so good. So good. Kids biking around. Yeah, people chilling here by the bay, friends, girlfriends, men, woman, family, eating, chilling. They put spices on the French fries here. Really nice.